That's down the block. It's coming. I can see the lights. Pure video mode. I don't have a microphone. All the natural sounds. Hand gesture works in pure video mode. I got this orange frame, and is that supposed to be a priority for the face and matrix? I can't find it to get off. I'm not going to try to figure out in low light. I figure I'll walk in the dark, maybe you see some fireflies, and get underneath the street lights. The thing I don't love about my camera is lens flares. And if the sun is more towards the front or around, I get lens flares. I'm going to do a walk around the park and see what it looks like in low light. I got the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 in the pocket. And we'll pull that out halfway through. And maybe I'll hold them both side to side as a comparison. We'll get some shots in so you get an idea what low level light looks like. Busy time, passing each of the light, covered by trees and street lamps. So we're holding out, waiting for the street light. And here we are, we're giving a fast pace I could get. A little bit in the open. All natural sounds where the wind screen is in the front. And here is a shot I'm going into my favorite area. And we'll do a comparison. We'll just walk on by and get the shot I need and do my editing the next day. So here I am, nicely done in pure video mode. I'm going to set on up both cameras and walk side by side. I'm shooting with both cameras the best I can, just holding it. And we're in a low light situation getting towards the light. So as we head on, we'll see what it looks like. Nice low level shot, and I'll separate my hands so this way I can walk more comfortably. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 and the Insta360 Action 5. The X5, that is. All right, the thing I didn't do was, do the twist to record in single mode. I don't think it works that way. I'm in Insta frame ending this. I get to the light and off we go. And I see it's trying to get my face and it may be capturing it and losing it. Wrapping this review up, this vlog up, yes indeed. And off we go. So we're all done for this one. Let's get on going. Don't you just like it when I say let's get on going? I discussed what I was going to do and I need to go find it, but I could do it without it. I need to hold my camera facing down. This way the sun doesn't shine into the lens. And maybe that will stop the reflection. See more of the ground than the sky. One thing I need to do is turn off the start and clipping. I need to have the beginning of my video or pause for the first 5 and the last 5. I said a lot, did a lot, talked a lot. I think I'm the only one with the camera on the block. So I'm Fish. And I'll see you on the next one. When this is lit up, does a great job. But when it's dark, that's another story. And I can't say anything till I see it in the subtitles. Have a great day. No, have a great night. Later.